History students, and welcome to the recording for the week 2 quiz. Question number 1 is, which invention delivered electricity to homes and businesses in the late 1800s? The point-and-shoot camera, the telephone, the light bulb, or alternating current? Question number 2, what was the most common impact of new inventions on American life? They created problems, increased pollution, and made life harder. They reduced costs but made life more difficult. They made life easier, more productive, and more profitable. They increased costs and provided a basis for family disputes. Number 3, why was the Sherman Antitrust Act passed? To stimulate new business development through government assistance, to show business that the government was in charge, to eliminate monopolies, trusts, or any agreement that restricted fair trade, or to put the Rockefellers out of business. For question number 4, read the following quote from Andrew Carnegie's Gospel of Wealth. Which of the following could have been inspired by this quote? A wealthy family hosts a party for friends to encourage business networking. A company's monopoly in the transportation industry is dissolved, allowing new business to emerge. A wealthy industrialist donates money to develop an institute for medical research, or a railroad company charges a cattle farmer high shipping rates because there are no other competing rail lines in the area. Question number 5. Who founded the American Railroad Union? George Mortimer Pullman, Eugene V. Debs, Gail Morris, or Grover Cleveland? Number 6. Why did workers organize to strike against their employers? Low wages, long hours, and harsh working conditions. Employers were angry with employees. Employees were leaving. None of the above. Question 7. Select the 3 hardships or hazards faced by workers in the late 1800s. The 8-hour workday, low wages, dangerous work conditions, breathing problems due to lint in cotton mills or coal dust in the mines, 2 weeks paid time off per year. Question number 8. What did the federal government do in response to union-led strikes? Attempted to mediate the issue so that both sides could be heard, remained impartial so the dispute could be settled by labor and management, sided with labor and reprimanded business owners for their behavior, or acted quickly to end strikes using both the courts and federal troops. Question number 9. When discussing immigration, we talk about push factors, reason for someone to leave their homeland, and pull factors, reasons why someone chooses one country over another. With at least 4 complete sentences, describe 2 push factors and 2 pull factors for U.S. immigration in the early 1900s. Question number 10. In the early 1900s, America saw a shift of immigrants coming from Northern and Western Europe instead of the previous immigration from Southern and Eastern Europe. Is that true or false? This is your last question on the quiz. When you're done, please click on the submit button at the bottom. And because this has a short answer question to it, your teacher will need to grade this, and your grade will appear in the grade book once that is done. Good luck on your quiz.